Are you fully confident that Tesla is able to be profitable really from here on out?
Yes, on average, on balance, yes. I'd just like to address the autonomous points that Edward made. So autonomous is an artificial intelligence project. Tesla is taking a leaf from Apple's book here. Apple was moving the smartphone market ahead so quickly, so much more quickly than Nokia, Ericsson, and Motorola, that it had to design its own chip. And the rest is history. Tesla is the only auto manufacturer to have designed its own AI chip.
Tesla and its stock market success. The U.S. electric automobile market involves the recognized automakers like Ford, F, and Chevrolet, GM. However, one business stands out of the automobile maker combination: Tesla Motors, TSLA. Tesla entered the media spotlight in 2013, and its CEO Elon Musk unleashed a flagship automobile, the Model S. Not merely did the Tesla automobile score high among automobile buyers, but the firm, however, Tesla Motors, gained fame also. It made the title of a prosperous independent automaker and has been called the electric automobile marketplace leader. And it has continued to succeed ever since. Tesla's launch was a hit with automobile buyers. It freed the business into the spotlight among the few influential independent automakers and a pioneer in the electric automobile industry. Receiving titles such as the best car ever, the S version achieved an ideal 99 out of 100 out of Consumer Reports after it was launched. The S model, a slick luxury sedan that starts at $69,000, has received high ratings in the trade business and the media. Car and Notebook has awarded the automobile 5 celebrities. If the Model S came out in 2013, Tesla made headlines. Trade media gave it laurels. Thus, the company has made a significant profit over time and continues to lead the electric vehicles market. Officially, Tesla came into being in 2013 to make a tremendous electrical automobile without the emissions. Wright resigned from the business in 2004 to establish another firm, Wright Speed. The first phases of investments were completed in 2004 from the co-founder. Elon Musk gained the spotlight that year after he joined the board of directors and took part in the first funding. Tesla Motors isn't regarded as a startup anymore, but a pioneer on the market of electrical automobiles. The organization did not achieve such heights instantly. The provider's website states the launch aimed to demonstrate that electrically driven automobiles are much better than cars that operate by gas. But Eberhard and Tarpenning fulfilled Elon Musk back after a couple of years to go over their electric vehicle concept. Sharing a frequent interest in starting a new business, in 1998, the duo established the Rocket eBook. Eberhard found his enthusiasm for autos. Afterwards, he confronted divorce and purchased a sports car. Although he had been doubtful about the electric vehicle market, he left investments on an electrical automobile manufacturer company, AC Propulsion. Elon Musk based PayPal along with his spouses, Max Levchin, Peter Thiel. In 2002, eBay purchased the business. With the sales benefit, Elon Musk began SpaceX, a designer, producer, and launcher of rockets and spacecraft. On introducing themselves together with Musk, the duo learned he has a strong history of launching new businesses. Even though Tesla Motors is face, Elon Musk is a creator or a co-founder of the provider. Produced in South Africa, a Canadian-American, Musk climbed up to become an engineer. He chased a double Bachelor of Science in Economics and Mathematics at the University of Pennsylvania. An entrepreneur and journalist into its center, Elon Musk registered himself at the PhD program of Applied Physics at Stanford University. But he stopped soon to concentrate on his company linked to renewable energy and outer space. From the electric automobile market, Tesla Motors effectively produced its area by merely taking one step at a time. It's established not only as the leader, but also as the most refined electric automobile firm. He'd also stated that the earnings are to return by 40%. Elon Musk assumed the seat of CEO and merchandise architect of Tesla Motors in 2008, the same year that the Roadster premiered. The executive overview of the auto highlights that attention has been set on the Roadster's layout and mechanisms. It's known to journey 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.9 minutes. As much as 100,000 miles, Roadster's upkeep is not excluding tires. Tesla Motors has spread its wings in California and the Netherlands, and Lathrop to remain active in the marketplace. Among the trademarks of Tesla Motors is that it focuses on just one product at that specific moment. According to predictions of analysts, the whole worldwide sale of electric automobiles was 3,200,000 in 2014. Tesla Motors was focusing on the production of electric automobiles. It's above 100 channels for charging in the United States. Tesla has captured an enormous share of the market. The Tesla stock's value is also increasing enormously. The stock price of Tesla started a little roughly back in July 2010. Its stock market value back then was only $3.84. And with the introduction of electric vehicles, the Tesla share made a high jump. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk has defied considerable odds and always beat expectations, considering taking their electrical car maker's helm in 2008. But after a significant run-up fueled by favorable news reports along with its fourth quarter earnings report finished, is Tesla stock a purchase? Let's find out. Tesla inventory is cooling after providing fourth quarter results following the close on January 27, which missed earnings estimates. Nonetheless, it sees the 2021 delivery expansion accelerating from 2020 speed and confirmed fresh Model S and X versions are coming. Tesla sees a 50% average yearly increase in automobile deliveries, together with 2021 anticipated to be quicker than that rate. In 2020, deliveries climbed 36% to 499,647. But while talking to Wall Street analysts on the conference call following the announcement, Musk suggested that the deadline for the Cybertruck had slid, and somewhat told that Tesla will make electric vans sooner or later. However, earnings jumped 95% from the year-ago interval and have been its sixth consecutive quarter of profitability. Revenues jumped 46% to $10.74 billion, topping estimates of $10.1 billion. Tesla stock dropped after the report. Despite unforeseen international challenges, we outpaced many trends found elsewhere in the market as we considerably improved volumes, profitability, and cash generation. China remains the secret to this Tesla bull thesis because this required story is acting in the area and finally giving Musk optimism about its 50% increase trajectory, which will be eye-popping amount in our view, he wrote. The run-up at Tesla inventory in January was partial because of its statement about automobile deliveries on January 4th. Tesla declared it delivered 189,750 electric vehicles from the fourth quarter, topping estimates of 174,000 and establishing a new annual record. Tesla completed off a historical 2020 with another powerful operation, Wedbush analyst Dan Ivey said in a research note to clients. Tesla took a large step with its third production plant, where the building is currently underway near Berlin. That plant is anticipated to be finished in March 2021, in which it'll create the Model Y. Subsequently, in July, Musk verified that its fourth production plant could be constructed near Austin, Texas. That mill will probably be Tesla's most prominent, being built on a 2,000-acre chunk of property. It will create the Cybertruck and its big rig truck named Semi, in addition to Model Y and Model 3. But Tesla later said Cybertruck deliveries will not start until early 2022. Afterwards, then, official goals to get an overdue 2021 launch. Tesla has undertaken a massive expansion of fabricating. Musk wishes to finally construct 20 million electric vehicles per year during the next decade, more than twice the current production of additional automaking giants. Therefore, it is currently on a mission to quickly expand its production capabilities. While 2020 was a crucial season for Tesla, we think 2021 will be more significant. Other series components contain Ford Motors F Mustang Mach-E, the I-Pace for the Tata Motors Jaguar unit, along with Audi e-tron. Audi is owned by Volkswagen. Volkswagen's Porsche arm has the Taycan. When Tesla begins pumping cars out of Germany, it is going to go head-to-head in electric vehicles with 3 German-based titles: Volkswagen Group, BWAGY, BMW, BMW-YY, along with the Mercedes-Benz branch of Daimler AG, DDAIF. It'll be a hard struggle as all 3 automobile companies have reputations for quality automobiles. The comparative line measures a stock's power against all stocks at the S&P 500. The RS line is the blue line in the graph shown. Usually, their most potent stock's RS line is confirming or contributing a stock's cost into high ground. In the stock exchange, timing is crucial. So when you're searching for stocks to purchase or sell, it is essential to perform the fundamental and technical analysis that explains lower risk entrance points, providing substantial potential benefits. The evaluation means Tesla inventory currently totals 99% of all stocks concerning the most crucial fundamental and technical stock picking standards. The inventory also includes a relative strength rating of 97. The evaluation tracks market direction. It reveals how a stock's price movement during the previous 52 weeks steps up against other shares. Additionally, Tesla comes with an accumulation distribution rating of A-. That score analyzes volume and price fluctuations in stock within the previous 13 months of trading. Its current score indicates more money is more buying than selling. A grade of A signs substantial institutional buying. The lowest score of E signifies hefty selling. Consider the C level as impartial. Additionally, a breakout effort above an extensive tight flag routine on January 25th did not get very much and caused a market signal. After a breakout, many top stocks tend to return to check their purchase point or their 10-week moving averages. Setting the cutoff in 5% permits such pullbacks without tripping the 7% to 8% loss-cutting market rule. And make sure you read IBDs after the close. The big picture pillar every day to be confident growth investors have a green light. If you would like to put money into a large cap inventory, a detailed choice of post is here. The IBD Large Cap 20 indicator provides a variety of the best large cap stocks. Stocks from that category comprise ST, ETSY. Can ST stock be a purchase? Hence, it is not a purchase. A stock is regarded as extended when it's 5% over the appropriate entry point. It is a technical term used to describe the stage where a store is up in cost over its pivot or purchase point and can be considered riskier to purchase. Tesla inventory has been expanded from its purchase zone after breaking from a cup with a handle using a purchase point of 466 on November 18th, based on MarketSmith graph analysis.